Hello everybody, welcome to my art channel. I've got two round canvases, 40 centimeters, and I'm going to do some flip cups on them. You can see I've already used them before and I scraped it because I didn't like it. So I'm going to use them again, make the same colors. Hopefully it will be diptych together. So I'm very excited. I've got some colors mixed up, and in all my colors there is a bit of a drip, 1 or 2 drips of silicone oil in there. So I'm going to get some beautiful cells. I've got some titanium white, and it is a very I've got very little of it. So I'm going to pour it in the bottom of those cups. Then I am going to use some olive green by Amsterdam. Some golds, light golds by Amsterdam. My paints are mixed with PVA glue and water. Then I've got 2 pinks. These are custom colors, just colors that I had that were some leftovers. And I've got a lot of this pale olive color. It's also a custom color. So I'm doing the same layers in both cups. Then I've got some Oxide black by Amsterdam, and that is sinking, I see. I'm going to do another layer of this olive green. I want to fill these cups up, hopefully to the top. Hopefully I will have enough paint. This is another custom pink color. And I'm just going to make this cup empty. It's just an air bubble. Okay, I thought there was a lump going in. Well, I strained my my paints, my custom colors, so hopefully there is no lump in here today. I've got some gray. I'm not sure if this is just neutral gray by Amsterdam or that this is a custom color. It looks like neutral gray by Amsterdam. I'm going to empty this, so, and then some more of that pale olive. So I've got the same cups fully filled. I'm going to flip them on the canvas. That's the first one. And the second one. And I'm going to tip them over right away. Here we go. But at far as I can see, I do need some flow extender to cover the whole canvas. So I've got a little bit of white left, tiny bits. I'm going to use that. Now I am wondering if I should torch first or not. I don't like very big cells disturbed. So I'm just making sure that the middle is covered and then going to the edges. Can't drip above the other painting. Some air bubbles are already breaking. This color palette looks very pretty, right? Well, because of the flow extender, I've got enough paint now. So that makes me very happy. Okay, I'm gonna leave that for now. I can change the composition a bit if I like. But I think I maybe should torch first to see how it looks like with the cells. So next one, very big bubble over there. So here we go. It flows very nicely. So going to the edges, over the edges now. Hopefully the colors will match a bit. So that black off is already making it that much nicer. I love round canvases. What about you? I love the shape. I'm definitely going to lose this bit right now. Oh no. So, like that. I got my paper towel in the paint, but it is okay, I think. So I'm going to clean my hands and then I'm going to use my torch. And hopefully there will be some magic by the cells that will show. There's a more light green in here. I think there's gold underneath here, so the green looks a bit vibrant. We'll see how it looks like after torching. The other one looks a little bit more pale. So make sure they are both visible for you. So torching. Here we go. Making sure that the air bubbles are gone. And look at those cells. So nice. The magic is happening. Only not over here. Probably that is because there's only pale green on there. And maybe I have to tilt some off. Do you see that? If I want to make them like a pair, like a diptych, I have to make sure that or I can pop up some cells over here, or I have to tilt a little and hopefully not disturb my cells that much. I don't want very large as I look at this, I think I can't help that. And if I want to make them pretty much the same, then I have to tilt the other one a bit so the cells look a little bit the same. But first I'm going to torch here again. Flip cups are always messy, right? But also a lot of fun. Let me see if there are any cells popping up now. I like them both very much. Now I have to decide which side I want to tilt off. I think I'm going to tilt a little bit off over here. You're probably calling to me right now at your phone, at your computer, at your device. Oh no, don't do that. It's so pretty. Leave it like this. But if I want to have them a bit similar, then I have to probably do this. Like that. Then there are more, that's better, they're more the same now. I like it. I like just round cells when they're just popping up the most, but yeah, I had to do something about that pale green over there. Going to torch one more time and then do the sides. Oh, it's jam-packed with cells. Very nice. I think I have to just a little bit to the middle. There's a lot of paint over here. So I'm going to make sure that my sides are clean and neat, that the drips are off, and then I will let them dry. Here are the dried results. I forgot to show you after the video. It dried for 1 day already. It's not completely dry, but you can see the beautiful details in this piece. The black coming through. And I have to be honest with you, I like it a lot, but I don't know if I'm finished with this. I got a really nice idea what to do, what I could do with these pieces, but I'm not sure. So first I'm going to let them completely dry, and that gives me the chance to think about it a little bit more. The gold details are so pretty, and the pink popping through, that is so great. You can see that gold shimmer over there. So nice. And I think that the pieces together are going very well together. So I'm very happy with it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And hopefully I see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.